Doing this for years without a man in my life was becoming my norm and that of my sons. Tonto Dikeh says after attending her son's graduation with her new husband. My people, Cold War is uploading. Anyways, before anything, you're welcome to this YouTube channel, me na KONGOSSIP TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If na the first time this way dey stop for this channel, please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Of course, no forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. For all those who have subscribed, may God bless you as you support me in Jesus name. So my people, this na 2-in-1 yes. Another matter wey we go take talk about and about this our nollywood actor wey don come out come cry say you guys should leave me alone, me no dey do money rituals and I no know where dem dey cut soap. But before we wan talk about im matter, make we go to Tonto Dikeh matter. My people, if una don notice am since some weeks now we dey na silent war between Tonto Dikeh and her ex-husband Churchill. If una never take realize, when Tonto Dikeh make a post wey dey take dey appreciate her husband and the man in her life, Churchill automatically go do a post wey dey take appreciate im new wife Rosie Mure. Me no know if una don notice am, but na issue wey me don take notice am. This time around the Cold War no dey cease. So my people, na bomber to bomber. As Tonto Dikeh put it on like that, na so Churchill too dey take put it on. Wetin dey happen na say Tonto Dikeh dey struggle for make Churchill make him understand say he was a failure, like he did not participate in anything, he wasn't man enough. She don get a new man now wey e take dey man enough 100%. E take dey for the midst of her child and herself. My people, make we wait Tonto Dikeh take talk before we overcarry our mouth take put inside. She say, doing this for years without a man in my life was becoming my norm and that of my sons. Pokogri, you can't describe the emotions that run through my mind as you worked me to change this narrative that was becoming my norm. God honor you, Okomi. Indeed, heaven rewrote my story and made it even better. God has answered my prayers. It's a big congratulations to our baby, King Andre Dikeh. Indeed, God has done it, my boy. It's raining congratulations, graduation in God's ordained family. In bracket, as one graduation down, 2 more to go. Congratulations to is the only valid conversation. My people, una don hear, like she talk say her norm be like she be the father and the mother of her son, but since where her new husband take come inside their life, the matter has changed. She say her story has been rewritten, but in a better version, as in Churchill sef no see anything behind this her new man. My people, she take the congratulate am, take the stand like she now has a man in her life. She no dey do mother and father duties again. My people, I see this, I say, but wetin dey happen? Na me wan dey take see this Cold War. My people, if una never notice am, make una go their Instagram pages, una go see as Tonto Dikeh take drop one like that, na so Churchill sef go take drop one. A lot of people come dey react say make she stop wetin she dey do. Una see, make she stop wetin she dey do, make she no dey do as if Churchill was never a man. Churchill sef be stand in her life before wahala come dey the way e take dey. A lot of people still come talk say she no suppose carry another man take put inside the man's life, and na so her fans still come out come dey give am under the comment section bomber to bomber, like if the man Churchill no wan take partake inside the pikin life, wetin she go do? She go carry and dey rub am to him face. My people, na the matter will take the insight now. We dey na pepper body, pepper them gang. My people, I do my own, you do your own. I rub am to your face, you rub your own to my face. My people, now wetin we dey experience now? I see this one, I say no, me suppose calm, because wetin happen, I say we suppose dey happy with our Nollywood actress. Yes, she don suffer, she don come out, she don cry severally, but if we see say this man, my people, take dey give her joy, take dey jolly her heart, take dey replace that part wey dey empty for her life. My people, na to congratulate her na. Yes, na to say congratulations to you on your new stone wey you don climb on top, because this one e show say her body take dey do and she no fit hold am to herself. Na why that she dey rub am to her faces. And what can we do? Only but appreciate and congratulate her, my people. Me I say make I bring, I don't know wetin una think about this particular section of the video. Make una write for comment section wetin una think about this particular section of the video, my people. Make we dive for the next matter. So my people, the next matter wey we go talk about na about this our Nollywood actor wey him don come out come shout like wetin dey happen, say make Nigeria leave him alone. Yes, this our Nollywood actor una dey see for una screen like this, Yul Edochie, him don come out. Una sabi say of recent im matter dey just dey pop up for internet anyhow, from the allegations of side chick and baby mama to the fact say people don dey come his inbox dey ask him make him cut soap for them, don dey ask him say make he carry them go do money ritual, say them go keep am as a secret. My people, make I read wetin he talk before we carry our mouth take put inside. Some people are sending me messages begging me to show them where they can do money rituals. Come on guys, come on. Na film they act, just like American action films where one man will defeat a whole city of bad guys. Na storyline be that, e no dey happen. Is it now a crime to be a good actor? Make I no chop. Na what for una o? My people, na wetin that we take right. Like people dey come in comment section, people dey come in DM, come dey say make him cut soap for them now, or make it take show them where they cut soap. As if that one no do my people. Himself come out, come bring out private chats where a boy come write am, make we read them. He say, Alpha bro, where it dey happen? Give me location, I'm ready for the sacrifice, I beg. I message KOK, he never answer me. I will keep everything secret. I promise, just take me to the Baba, make I run my own sharp. My people, the matter gets the way it is. This person self talk say him message KOK take mean say kanayo or kanayo. Say him don't message kanayo for take action where they cut soap. As kanayo not take answer, and then he rush back to Yul Edochie, make him tell am where the papa dey, say him dey ready to do sacrifice. My people, wetin we no go see for this outside here, e no dey exist at all, because when you think say you have seen it all, life go disprove you like sharp. My people, wetin be cutting of soap? This na movie, film, na acting wey dem dey act. This one na film na, yes, na role that they play. Na wetin this our Nollywood actor don take bring am for outside, say na film at the act. So me no know where money rituals dey exist. Me no get baba to carry una take go there. Make una leave me alone. Me no be money ritualist. I no dey do money rituals. Na hustle at the hustle, or make I not chop. My people, a lot of people come the comment section, come they laugh at Sam, or the self-talk say make him carry the boys take go churches, make they pray for them. Shebi they want where they cut soap. Now for church they cut soap. My people, me no know wetin una think about this particular video. Now why that take bring am for here? Make una write for comment section. Una tell me wetin una think about this matter. Now say na role playing or truly Yul Edochie take dey do money rituals. We no know. Make una write for comment section. But of course, make una no forget for subscribe and turn on una post notification. I go see una for my next video. As of now, I'm out.